In this adrenaline-fueled ride, a compact sedan roars like a supercar thanks to a turbo boost pushing horsepower skyward. Carbon fiber body kits slash wind drag and add neon accents, turning everyday cars into stadium-worthy silhouettes. Programmable lighting floods streets with color, while eye-catching LEDs showcase performance while staying streamlined. Off-road suspensions and widened tracks conquer mud and rocks, delivering confident control on rugged trails. Inside, a futuristic cockpit uses holographic displays and touch controls, inviting viewers to comment their favorite modification or share their own build.